LiveRail's the largest programmatic ad platform for premium video publishers. So we basically provide a technology stack to publishers, broadcasters, cable companies that enable them to sell their video inventory programmatically. So the company is now, as of right now, 130 employees. We actually tripled the company by revenue last year. We expect to double the company again this year. So it's been a great couple of years recently. What we've really seen is an increasing amount of advertiser spend into the programmatic channels. And as a result, premium publishers wanting to engage in that market, to deploy the right tools, the right technology, and obviously the right operational processes to make sure that they can engage in that market and bring their inventory to market in a way that advertisers are looking to buy it and apply data and targeting and do that without damaging their existing businesses. So the next 12 months I think are going to be a really exciting time. I think we're expecting to see programmatic spending increase dramatically. To do that, we're obviously trying to help publishers engage in that market safely and be where their audiences are. So there's a couple of key priorities for us. Multi-platform is a big area of investment for us. We're doing more and more stuff on tablets, on smartphones, on connected TVs. So clients like Roku, obviously clients like MLB who have big iPad and smartphone deployments. Helping them do multi-platform distribution and ad insertion is a very important key initiative for us. Doing a lot of kind of cool stuff with server-side ad insertion, so actually allowing publishers to insert the ad on the server side and then deliver a single stream out to the client device. So eliminating the need to have any decisioning or sophistication happening on the client device makes it much easier for a publisher to push a single video stream out across any kind of device and make sure the advertising experience and monetization opportunities are identical across device type. So as they see more and more of their audiences coming from these new devices, monetization and business opportunities are the same. International is a big area of investment for us. So we've opened an office in London. It's now just 5 people, but that's growing rapidly, and we're now hiring in France and Germany as well. So international is a big area of growth. I think we've traditionally seen that the US has been a little bit ahead of the European market when it comes to programmatic. Europe is now really starting to catch up. So UK, France, Germany, big areas of investment for us. And then, lastly is the television market. So I think we're seeing increased opportunities particularly among the cable companies, to help them bring some of the kind of technologies and automation tools to traditional cable and linear broadcast environments that have been so successfully deployed in digital. And there's a bit of a challenge there in that it's very hard to do real-time ad insertion into a broadcast medium. But a lot of the technologies around auctioning, around kind of exposing inventory opportunities and demographic data to buyers on a programmatic basis, a lot of that is still applicable. So we're actually building out tools for the television market that help them to take advantage of some of these programmatic sales tools.